Hey beauties! So today I wanted to do an updated nighttime skincare routine with all the new skincare products. Some are brand new and some I've used in the last few weeks. So let's get unready with me. It's 10 o'clock at night and I've had this makeup for about 10 hours now. So the first step of my nighttime skincare routine will be cleansing, and I will of course be double cleansing to remove my makeup, SPF, pollutions, dirts and impurities from my skin. And to do the first step of my double cleansing routine, I will be using a brand new product in my beauty cupboard, and it is Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm by BANILA. This cleansing balm, alongside the face mask and the lip mask that I will be using on today's nighttime skincare routine, were kindly gifted by Glam Touch UK. Glam Touch UK is one-stop destination for all your Korean skincare needs here in the UK. I will link all the products that I will be using from Glam Touch UK in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. Anyways, let's start by opening this cleansing balm. How pretty is the packaging, by the way? It's pink and is aesthetically very pleasing. Look at that, even the inside. Oh my god, I am in love. Love it, love it, love it. I honestly can't believe how pretty this is. As you can see, it's sealed. So let me open the seal. And that's what it looks like. So we have the product. Let's put it on our palm. I'm just gonna rub it on my hand and then apply it all over my face. Oh, it smells really nice. Can't quite work out, but the smell kind of smells like a fruit. Gonna go on my lips. Ooh, as you can see, it's melting. Cleansing balms are a great way to melt away makeup and SPF. They're great for first step of your nighttime double cleansing routine. Let's do my eyes next. There we go. Let's hope it melts away all those mascaras, because I always find mascara the hardest, especially with cleansing balms. Whoa! This cleansing balm feels really good on my skin. It's very moisturizing, I must say. And let's just make sure that it gets rid of all those eye products. And of course lip products as well. That's all my makeup, SPF, dirts, grimes, pollution, everything is in there. I will be using Glossybox muslin cloth and lukewarm water to remove this cleansing balm. This is so pretty, but it is gonna get dirty now. So yeah, let's go ahead and soak it in a lukewarm water. So there is my water and my muslin cloth from Glossybox. There we go. And we are gonna wipe my face with it. As much as I love wearing makeup, I also love removing my makeup at the end of the day, so I can go to bed with clean, fresh, healthy skin. Look how filthy my muslin cloth has become. I must say this cleansing balm has pretty much removed everything from my face, as you can see, and my skin does feel quite soft and smooth as well, which is amazing. On to step number 2 of my double cleansing routine. I will be using Cerave Hydrating Cleanser for my second cleanse. I have been loving using this cleanser from Cerave. It's very gentle and it's great for second cleansing to remove excess makeup and dirt from your skin. Leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. Rub it and gently massage it on your face Honestly, this feels so good. My tip is to always clean your face for about a minute. No longer, no less, because you don't want to strip away the moisture from your skin either, and that's what happens if you clean your face for too long. And if you don't clean long enough, then you can't get rid of all the dirts and impurities and, you know, makeup and SPF and all the grimes basically from your skin. So you need to make sure you're doing it for about a minute. I'm gonna go and wash this off and I will be back. I'm back. My skin feels very clean. Now step 2 of my nighttime skincare routine will be toner, and today I will be using this PIXI Collagen Tonic. This is a new toner from PIXI formulated with collagen and peptides to help promote a youthful looking complexion. I love the smell of this toner. It kind of smells like flower and it feels really good on my skin. Right. And just go all over your face. Honestly, this feels so good and smells so lush. Just gonna go under my eyes as well. So most of my eye makeup is gone, but because the mascara that I used is from Huda Beauty and that is quite hard to clean off, so yeah. Anyways, let's bring it down to my neck as well and around this area too, so it's nice and toned. Step 3 of my nighttime skincare routine today will be a face mask, and I will be using this face mask from BANOBAGI, which was kindly gifted by Glam Touch UK. This is a silk pearl injection mask formulated with glutathione, pearl extract and hydrolyzed silk, which helps to make your skin clearer and brighter. I always like to use my sheet mask cold as I find it cools and calms my skin. So this face mask have been sitting in my fridge. Isn't this face mask so pretty with all this silver foil pattern on it? Now what I like to do is all the excess serum in this face mask, I like to apply it in my neck area. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Never forget your neck area, all these necklines, because your neckline shows that you've aged before any other part of your body. So you need to make sure you take extra care of it. Now time to relax for next 20 minutes. So I will be reading my book. The book that I'm reading currently is this one. This is The Queen of Paris. It's a novel of Coco Chanel and it is by Pamela Bennings-Ewan. So yeah, let me go ahead and just do that. 20 minutes up and it's time to remove this sheet mask. Now let's go ahead and do that. Ta-da! Can you see my skin looks instantly brighter and it feels super hydrated? So time to pat in the excess serum and let it sink into my skin. Step 4 is the eye cream, and today I will be using this Elemis Pro-Collagen Advanced Eye Treatment. This is an anti-wrinkle eye serum that helps to improve fine lines and wrinkles around the eye areas. And as always, I like to use my ring finger to pat the eye serum gently. It's super important to be gentle as the eye area are very delicate. So yeah, just gently pat around your eye areas. I like to look up so that it doesn't go into my eye. I'm also going to go on my upper eye area and in that upper motion. There we go. Step 5 will be a facial oil to seal in all the moisture from the face mask that I used today. And the facial oil that I will be using today is this WISHFUL Get Even Rose Oil. This rose oil is very potent and has 15 exceptional oils, and Huda Beauty has named it as her magic oil. I have been using it for a week now and I already love it. The only thing that I don't like about this oil is its smell. It's very pungent and almost smells like a turmeric. Thankfully, the smell only lasts for about a minute or so, hence it's bearable for me. It's very lightweight and sinks into my skin really easily. It's not greasy at all and my skin feels smooth after application, and next morning my skin looks very radiant. I can't wait to see how it improves my skin over the next few weeks and feedback to you all on my Autumn Beauty empties end of this year. And the final and step 6 of my nighttime skincare routine will be my lips, and today I will be using lip sleeping mask from Laneige, which was kindly gifted by Glam Touch UK. This is a limited edition lip balm in mint Choco. I love the mint packaging. It looks very refreshing on the eyes, so let's open it. Ta-da! How pretty is that? I love it. And this also comes with a spatula. Love it. A lip sleeping mask that provides smooth, firm lips by gently melting away dead skin on the lips overnight with refreshing mint choco scent. Now, I have heard so many good reviews about the original Laneige lip sleeping mask in berry, and I'm super excited to finally try it, and that too in a yummy limited edition flavor. That's what it looks like inside, and it smells so nice, like mint chocolate. Yum! So let's get right in. There we go. These two match, mint versus Tiffany blue. This feels so buttery. My lips feel so good already, and this smells amazing. Like, I want to eat it, seriously. And that is it for today's video on my updated nighttime skincare using all new skincare products with total of 6 steps, or shall I say 7 with double cleansing? Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed it. I want to give my special thanks to Glam Touch UK for gifting me all 3 amazing skincare products. And as always, don't forget to like this video, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to let me know in the comments down below on what YouTube video would you like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.